Computer motherboards are essential as the central hub connecting all components for proper system functionality. My today's video is about top 5 best computer motherboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS Computer Motherboards, the TUF gaming motherboard with AMD AM5 socket is built for enthusiasts and gamers seeking performance, stability, and next-gen connectivity. Designed to support AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors, it delivers reliable power through 12+2 teamed power stages, 8+4 ProCool sockets, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensuring stable performance even under heavy workloads. Next-generation connectivity includes M.2 PCIe 5.0 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2 Type-C, front USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, and USB 4 support, offering fast data transfer and future-proof compatibility. Networking and online gaming are optimized with Wi-Fi 6, Realtek 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and TUF LAN Guard for stable, low-latency connections. The gamers and streamers will appreciate two-way AI noise cancellation for clear communication, while comprehensive cooling features, enlarged VRM and PCH heatsinks, M.2 heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and Fan Expert 2 Plus via Armory Crate keep temperatures under control. Stylish Aura Sync RGB lighting with addressable headers enhances aesthetics. With robust power delivery, advanced cooling, and cutting-edge features, this motherboard is an ideal choice for gaming, productivity, and high-performance builds. Now our second product is ASUS Computer Motherboards. The ASUS ROG Strix motherboard is engineered for advanced AI PCs and high-performance computing, delivering the power and connectivity required for demanding AI applications. Compatible with AMD AM5 socket, it supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series desktop processors, making it future-ready for next-generation builds. Intelligent ASUS exclusive AI features: AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking, and AEMP simplify setup while optimizing performance automatically, allowing users to achieve maximum efficiency without manual tuning. Overclocking enthusiasts benefit from ROG Strix technologies such as Dynamic OC Switcher, CoreFlex, asynchronous clock, and PBO enhancement, providing precise control and enhanced CPU performance. The robust 16+2+2 power solution, rated at 98 per stage, along with dual ProCool 2 power connectors, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensures stable and reliable power delivery to multi-core processors under heavy workloads. Ideal for AI computing, gaming, and content creation, this motherboard combines intelligent performance, cutting-edge overclocking, and a durable power design to support the most demanding PC builds with confidence. Our third product is ASUS Computer Motherboards. This AM5 motherboard is designed for high-performance builds, supporting AMD Ryzen Desktop 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Users may need a BIOS update for full compatibility with Ryzen 8000 and 9000 CPUs, ensuring smooth operation and future-proof flexibility. Power delivery is robust and reliable, featuring a 12+2 power stage design, 8+4 ProCool power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. This configuration provides stable, efficient power for multi-core processors, ideal for gaming, content creation, or demanding workstation tasks. Thermal management is optimized with massive VRM heatsinks, strategically cut airflow channels, and high-conductivity thermal pads to keep components cool under load. These cooling features help maintain performance while extending component lifespan. Next-generation storage support includes one PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot and two PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, each equipped with heatsinks to maximize performance and stability. Overall, this motherboard offers a solid foundation for high-speed, multi-core computing, combining advanced power, cooling, and storage solutions for both gamers and professionals. Now number 4. Gigabyte Computer Motherboards. This AMD AM5 motherboard is built for next-level performance, supporting AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Its DDR5 compatibility with 4 SMD DIMM slots allows for AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory modules, providing fast, stable, and flexible memory performance for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. The power delivery is exceptionally robust, featuring a 12+2+2 phases digital VRM solution that ensures consistent and efficient power to multi-core processors, enabling peak performance under heavy load. Advanced thermal design paired with M.2 thermal guards guarantees VRM stability and keeps M.2 SSDs performing at their best, even during intensive tasks. Next-gen connectivity is fully supported with one PCIe 5.0 and two PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, along with USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, allowing ultra-fast storage, peripherals, and high-speed data transfer. Combining cutting-edge power, cooling, and connectivity, this motherboard is an ideal choice for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking reliability and high performance in one package. And our last choice is Gigabyte Computer Motherboards. This AMD socket AM5 motherboard is a powerhouse designed for high-performance computing, supporting AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Its DDR5 support across 4 DIMM slots with AMD Expo ensures lightning-fast memory speeds and stable performance, ideal for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. The robust 16+2+2 power design delivers clean, consistent power to even the most demanding multi-core CPUs, enabling stable overclocking and peak performance under heavy load. Thermal management is carefully engineered with VRM and M.2 thermal guards, keeping critical components cool and ensuring long-term reliability. Connectivity options are next-generation ready, featuring PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast graphics and expansion, for M.2 slots for high-speed SSDs, and dual USB 4 ports. Front and rear USB-C support ensures versatile, high-speed connectivity for peripherals, while the sensor panel link adds precise monitoring and control for system performance. With cutting-edge power delivery, advanced cooling, and comprehensive connectivity, this AM5 motherboard is an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking a reliable and future-proof platform. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.